Ever tried to use Beforepay, only to have your debit card rejected? Frustrating, right? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the most common reasons why Beforepay might be giving you the cold shoulder and what you can do to get things working again. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for managing your cash flow, allowing you to access your paycheck early. But sometimes, things don't go as planned. Your card might be declined, leaving you scratching your head and wondering what went wrong. Let's break it down. Reason 1: insufficient funds. First and foremost, the most obvious culprit: insufficient funds. Even though you're accessing future earnings, Beforepay still needs to verify that you have enough income to cover the advance. If your paycheck isn't large enough to cover the advance and any potential fees, your card will be declined. Reason 2: card issues. Next up, card-related problems. Expired card: double-check your card's expiration date. If it's past its prime, it won't work. Incorrect card details: even a small typo in your card number, CVV, or expiration date can cause a rejection. Card limits: have you reached your daily or weekly spending limit with your card? This could also lead to a decline. Card holds: sometimes, temporary holds are placed on your card for security reasons. These holds can sometimes interfere with Beforepay transactions. Reason 3: account issues. Now let's talk about potential issues with your bank account. Recent account activity: if you've recently opened your account, made significant deposits, or experienced unusual activity, your bank might temporarily flag your account for security purposes. Account holds: similar to card holds, your bank might place a hold on your account due to suspicious activity. Insufficient funds in your bank account: even if you're using Beforepay, your bank still needs to verify that you have sufficient funds to cover the advance and any fees. Reason 4: Beforepay system issues. Sometimes, the issue lies with Beforepay itself. System glitches: like any online platform, Beforepay can experience temporary glitches or outages. Maintenance: scheduled maintenance periods can also disrupt service. Overload: if many users are trying to access Beforepay simultaneously, it might experience temporary overload. Troubleshooting steps. Now that we know the potential culprits, let's talk about how to troubleshoot. Check your card details carefully. Ensure all information is entered correctly. Contact your bank. Inquire about any potential holds or restrictions on your account. Contact Beforepay support. Explain the issue and provide any relevant details. Try again later. If you suspect a temporary glitch, try using Beforepay again after a short while. Review Beforepay's terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with their policies regarding card usage and eligibility. Remember, Beforepay is a financial service. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions thoroughly before using it. Be mindful of potential fees and repayment schedules to avoid any unexpected costs. Have you encountered any other issues with Beforepay? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other navigate this financial tool effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.